Is your garage door stuck halfway or making strange noises? That's a clear sign your torsion spring needs repair. And delaying it can make things worse. At Adams Garage Doors LLC, they bring expert garage door torsion spring repair right to your doorstep. Their certified technicians work fast, use quality parts, and ensure your door moves smoothly and safely. No long waits, no hidden costs, just honest service that restores your peace of mind. From emergency fixes to full replacements, they handle it all with precision. Call 703-623-6766 today or visit adamsgaragedoors.llc.com for quick, reliable repairs that last.